Hello everyone. I am CA Pooja Shah on behalf of JK Shah Classes, and with us today is Chirag Asawa, All India Rank 7 at Inter CA November 20 exam. सबसे पहले Chirag, how did you feel when you got to know you secured All India Rank 7?
Man, like this feeling I cannot describe in words. I feel like I'm in cloud nine or like top of the world because when I was watching my result, so my hands were shivering as I first watched the mark sheet, and then I saw that I have got 680 marks. Then when I go to watch the merit list, my hands were literally so shivering that I felt कि मेरा phone ही गिर जाएगा कहीं. So because I was not able to type properly. So then when I got to know that I have secured 7th rank, I felt like I checked my result twice because वो एक होता है because कि 7th rank is a big achievement. So मैंने 2 बार देखा नहीं, okay, it's Chirag Asawa. So then I felt like then I told to my parents, and that the tears of happiness in their eyes were like I got everything or a great achievement. So this was the feeling.
I think that is a very beautiful emotion to relate to कि जब हम अपने पेरेंट्स के चेहरे पे वो एक खुशी देख लेते हैं कि उनको वो सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है that my child is doing so well in ACADS और से आगे जाके आपके करियर में भी. I think that is something जो हम किसी चीज़ से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, and that is something that we all live for, right?
Yeah, man, true.
But I find it a little hard to believe कि a person who secures the 7th rank did not expect the rank in the first place. और वो so surprised कि मुझे 7th rank आ गया. I find it hard to believe.
Actually, ma'am, after giving the papers, I felt like, okay, I can get a rank, but I was not expecting that I will be getting a rank in top 10. So that was a feeling that, I have secured. But I think that कि हाँ 50 में आ सकता है क्योंकि because papers were good, but after seeing that I have secured 7th rank, this feeling was like amazing and very amazing.
Absolutely. I think every CA student can relate to you because result कभी भी अपने हाथ में नहीं होता है, and it is just something that every CA student feels कि मेरे हिसाब से तो पेपर्स अच्छे गए हैं, मेरे हिसाब से तो ये रिजल्ट आ जाना चाहिए, but then let's see, it is by God's grace that we clear in the first attempt or we get such a good rank. And I think the feeling that you went through when your hands were trembling, when you saw that happiness on your parents' face is something that every CA student goes through. So students, अगली बार अगर आपका भी हाथ tremble कर रहा हो, never mind, AIR 7 के साथ भी ये हो सकता है, तो it is very very normal. Coming to an important question, Chirag, कोई भी path to success and such an achievement at that easy नहीं होता, उसके अपने ही challenges होते हैं. तो what is your story? आपका ये जो रैंक आया है उसमें आपके पाथ के बारे में बताइए, आपके क्या चैलेंजेस थे उसके बारे में बताइए.
Okay, ma'am. So starting with, I have begun Inter in somewhat like December for early bird batch. So our batch started, and in March this pandemic that hit us hard. To this pandemic, that classes were announced holidays for some days, like a week or a fortnight. But so I decided that why should not take a vacation, because we hardly get a chance that in CA we can plan a vacation for 5 to 7 days or refresh our mood or freshen up so that we can start all through again and very fresh. But that turned out to be like a curse, because जब मैंने plan किया 5 to 7, I decided to go to Bhilwara at my Masi's place or my aunt's place, because मैंने सोचा कि चलो अगर मिला है लीव तो 5 to 7 days क्यों ना वैकेशन प्लान कर ले एक, और थोड़ा मूड भी फ्रेश हो जाएगा एंड अच्छे से पढ़ाई भी हो पाएगी, आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे. देन सो आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक FM and costing with me because I had only 7 days. So I planned कि if इतना हो जाता है then it is good. But after going there, 2-3 days later, a notification came that lockdown is announced. So this news, or rather I would say this news felt like oh my god, what has happened? Because अब मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं वापस कब अहमदाबाद जा पाऊँगा, और आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर कि अब मैं वापस कब जाके पढ़ाई भी कर पाऊँगा, बिकॉज द न्यूज़ सेज कि टिल द नेक्स्ट नोटिफिकेशन और टिल द नेक्स्ट अपडेट द लॉकडाउन इज अनाउंस्ड. सो 2-3 दिन तो मेरा दिमाग ही ख़राब हो गया, एंड आई वॉज लाइक अब व्हाट नेक्स्ट एंड हाउ टू स्टडी. सो आई स्टे काम्ड, और मैंने ट्राई किया कि हाँ चलो कुछ करते हैं, बट देन आई रियलाइज कि दिस थिंग इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व इजीली. सो आई स्टार्टेड, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स all the things were shifted to online from physical to virtual. So but I wanted to appear for the November 20 examination, as I was clear ki no, I am going to appear in this attempt. So I carried on my studies.
All right, but Chirag, having said that, I mean, these were very serious challenges. You had the physical copies of textbooks for only 2 subjects, costing and FM, and you were completely removed from your base location, from your comfort zone, I would say. And studying for an exam like Inter CA is in general very tough. So what made you go on every single day, keeping in mind the fact that you had challenges for a very long time with no visibility of getting a solution to it?
Okay, so ma'am, I will say that the one factor that pushed me up, or that pushed me constantly to study and focus on my goal, was that my goal to secure a rank in Inter CA. Because I had a rank in foundation, on that day I made it clear that I will be getting a rank and I will be clearing Inter with a rank, obviously. So that zeal or that constant goal, or that clear goal pushed me to pursue my studies, and I was sure that I will be doing it anyway, no matter what happens.
So despite having all these challenges, आपके पास सिर्फ कॉस्टिंग एफएम के बुक्स थे, टेक्स्ट बुक्स थे, आपको शायद नोटबुक्स भी पूरे नए बनाने पड़े होंगे. Despite all those challenges, only because you had set your mind to a goal that I was a CA foundation ranker, I want a rank at Inter CA level, that kept you going on and on every single day when it was so challenging to study in an environment like that. I think that is absolutely inspiring, Chirag, and that in fact brings me to my next question. That, like you said, everything changed when the corona pandemic came into the picture, right? All your life you have studied under a face-to-face model of learning, and with the pandemic coming into the picture, even we had to change the way we taught you. We went from a face-to-face model to an online model of coaching, where you were learning through recorded lectures. There was a live doubt solving feature and so on. But a lot of the students appearing in November 20 attempt, I'm talking about the fresh November 20 attempt students, there was a lot of negativity among the November 20 students because it was a very difficult transition from a face-to-face model to an online model. That is something you had never seen in your life before, right? So when everybody was facing such a challenge, when all your friends, all your classmates were facing such a problem, all the people that you knew were facing a problem like that, how did you transition from face-to-face to online?
Okay, so ma'am, honestly speaking, in the beginning, I was also facing some issues, because whole life we have studied in physical lectures, and now we have to immediately shift to online lectures, which was very uncomfortable, because in online lectures we have to make sure many things like perfect connectivity, in silence around us, so that we can concentrate on the studies, and many more. So it was really very uncomfortable, because these things were all new, or they have come all of a sudden. So this transition was definitely difficult, but as I said, the goal, or that my goal was very clear, that no, I have to do it despite all challenges. So that pushed me, and also in this thing JKSC came to picture. Okay, ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा beneficial भी हो गया, because I didn't have the books or all the material with myself. So, but I was having access to the video lectures, where entire course was available, so I can view lectures at my convenience. So I decided कि जब तक मैं भिलवाड़ा हूँ, मैं सेल्फ स्टडी तो कर नहीं पाऊँगा, तो I decided कि why not I should complete my lectures. So I decided कि मैं अभी यहाँ पे सेल्फ स्टडी पे फोकस नहीं करके I planned कि मैं यहाँ पे सारे lectures खत्म कर देता हूँ. So for that also I was requiring books but thanks to GKSC that they have provided all the hyperlinks to the PDFs and chapter notes in the timetable itself. It was very comfortable, or it was easy for me to download the books and access them and carry on my studies. So I decided कि मैं lectures खत्म कर लूँगा सारे and I will carry on my studies. So अहमदाबाद जाके मुझे lectures वापस ना करने पड़े and I can only focus on self study and my goal can be achievable.
All right, Chirag, I think that was fantastic planning and proactiveness on your part that ये सब challenges तो है मेरे सामने, but I need to find a way to come out of it because my goal cannot change, but the way I approach my goal can change and I am going to make it happen, right?
Yes.
So Chirag, my next question to you is something that I also asked Shreya Tibrewal, your classmate. For the benefit of everyone, Shreya Tibrewal is AIR 1. Both Chirag and Shreya were our CA Foundation students and both of them had secured All India rank 13 at that level. So my question to you is, Chirag, of course at your CA Foundation level you secured a rank, at your inter CA level also you secured a rank. So it is clear that you're an intelligent student, right? What made you take up coaching for inter?
Because we all know that CA inter is a tough course. Although I believe that I am an intelligent student, but for a course or for a examination like CA inter, we need guidance because in this we face different subjects which we come through first time, or I can say पहली बार ही हमने ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा होगा. So this thing, because of that I chose coaching. And why did I choose JKSC? Because I wanted to learn from the best, and all the renowned faculties of Ahmedabad were teaching in your institution. So I decided to join JKSC, and after coming to your organization, I found out that whole support system, whole thing a student demands is available in your organization. For example, like we can say we want test series, so test series and expert faculties are always there, doubt solving sessions and so on. So this thing attracted me to pursue my CA inter in JK Shah classes.
All right, then also tell us, how did you prepare for the exam? I mean, we obviously heard from you the challenges that you were facing and your strategy that you first want to cover all the lectures and then you want to focus on self-study. So could you throw some light on that? How did you prepare for the exam? How many hours were you putting in and so on?
Okay, so talking about my preparation, I would say that ma'am, for starting, like I will say June and July, I was not doing like 10 or 12 hours, 15 hours study. I was focusing on 5 to 6 hours study because वो 10 hours, 12 hours का study तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो जाता है एकदम starting में. So I was trying कि हाँ 5 to 6 hours का effective output निकले. So मेरे पास बहुत backlog भी ना रहे and अच्छे से पढ़ाई हो. So once I completed all my subjects, then I allotted 7 days for each paper. I took paper wise, not subject wise. I was going paper wise because I believe कि one paper at a time वो एक satisfaction नहीं होता है कि हाँ एक paper खत्म हो चुका है पूरा इंटर का. So I took one paper at a time, allotted 7 days each, 6 days revision and 7th day for test, paper writing, so that I can know कि हाँ मैंने जो पढ़ा है वो मुझे कितना implement भी कर पा रहा हूँ और कितना लिख भी पा रहा हूँ. So for all these subjects, this was my first revision, and for second revision I allotted 3 days each, 3 days each subject, 2 days for revision and third day for same test writing or paper writing, paper solving different papers. And for the third revision, I created a mahal like ICI exams. So I can counter कि हाँ मुझे ICI में जो पूरा 16 days का preparation करना है वो I planned कि हाँ पहले एक demo क्यों ना कर लिया जाए उसका. So I allotted 1.5 days like same to today exam and 1 day leave, then again exam. So this was my journey, and by God's grace we got 20 days extra. So I got 20 days extra time for preparation. So what I did in those 20 days was around 5 to 6 days I focused on what topics or what things I was lacking in, or I was not having much confidence. So I tried कि हाँ वो 5-6 दिन पहले मैंने अलॉट कर दिए कि हाँ इनमें मैं वो सारे जो मैंने concepts छोड़ दिए थे because they were too big or too large to cover. So मैंने वो cover किया. And then मैंने start किया paper solving, different RTPs, MTPs, and all that for like past 2-3 attempts, so that we can have an understanding के ICI की thinking approach क्या है and ICI का paper pattern, क्योंकि paper pattern तो कुछ होता नहीं है, but ICI का सॉल्विंग स्टाइल या मतलब कैसे क्वेश्चंस हमें फ्रेम करने हैं, आंसर कैसे फ्रेम करना है, सो मैंने उस पर फोकस किया. सो वो जो 20 डेज का, मैंने भी पहले ऐसा सोचा कि वाई 20 डेज डिले इफ आई एम प्रिपेयर, बट दैट 20 डेज ऑल्सो हेल्प मी. सो दिस वॉज माई होल, आई कैन से, प्रिपरेशन और टाइम टेबल or schedule for preparation.
Okay, Chirag. I think all the students stopped listening to you when you said कि मैंने कुछ चीज़ें जो छोड़ दी थी वो मैंने extra time 20 days में cover की है. Which means even though he was aiming for a rank, he still had the guts to drop out some parts of the syllabus. That was, I think, a calculated risk that he had taken. And I just want to point out to everyone that although he had originally taken that risk, but as soon as he got some extra time, he did not utilize it to revise what he had already done, but he first focused on finishing what he had left out, and I think that added to your success more than what revisions could have added.
Yes ma'am, because अगर हम सब कुछ पहले ही कवर करने जाएंगे, so it's a big course, very vast course, so we can't focus on everything, else we should focus on something and do it perfectly, that अगर ये आता है तो एग्जाम में will definitely crack it. सो फिर वो जो थोड़े कंसेप्ट होते हैं वो हमें बात के लिए रखने होते हैं, सो दैट इफ वी गेट अ टाइम वी कैन डू इट. बट अगर नहीं है तो हाँ ओके, हाँ दिस आर नॉट फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, सो वी कैन स्किप इट बिकॉज वी हैव टू टेक रिस्क. इट्स ऑल अबाउट रिस्क. इफ वी टेक रिस्क देन ओनली वी विल गेट रिटर्न्स. सो दैट वाज माय प्लान.
I think that was a very crucial tip coming from you, Chirag, that you can and you should take some amount of risk, because if you try to cover everything, you might actually lose out on the bigger picture, which is clearing the exam. So you need to do some kind of trend analysis and take some calculated risks. And of course, if you find time, then you shouldn't focus it all on revising what you already know, but you should in fact flip through pages and cover what you had left out.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that. And coming to my last question to you, what piece of advice would you like to give to all students watching you today?
Ma'am, only one advice I will give, that if we are pursuing CA or if anyone is pursuing CA, he should have at least 3 words in his dictionary that I personally believe, that is hard work, determination and dedication, and also a clear goal that I will be achieving it and I want to achieve it. So, and at last I will be quoting a line I find it: if you don't sacrifice for what you want will be the sacrifice. मतलब अगर आप आज जो आपको चाहिए उसके लिए sacrifice नहीं करोगे या उसके लिए hard work नहीं करोगे, so जो चीज़ आपको चाहिए थी वही आपका एक sacrifice बन जाएगी. So we believe that अगर हम एक CA में ऐसा कहते हैं कि हाँ आपके ये 5 साल बहुत स्ट्रगल है, सब फ्रेंड्स चले जाएंगे वो, बट अगर ये 5 साल आपने दे दिए लाइफ को, तो आपकी जो आगे आने वाली 50 इयर्स की या 55 जो भी रिमेनिंग लाइफ है वो एकदम चेयरफुल होगी. और इफ़ वी वेस्ट दिस 5 इयर्स इन मस्ती एंड ऑल दिस थिंग, रोमिंग अराउंड एंड ऑल दिस थिंग, तो जो रिमेनिंग 55 है वो स्ट्रगल हो जाएगा. सो इट्स बेटर दैट स्ट्रगल दिस 5 इयर्स एंड एंजॉय द लास्ट लाइफ, और एंड चॉइस इज आवर्स. इट डिपेंड्स.
All right, Chirag, that's a very mature thing to say for someone at your age. I think the message is loud and clear to all the students that if CA demands a sacrifice of say 5 years of your life, then it is completely worth the reward that it also gives you. Thank you, Chirag, for that wonderful parting thought, and congratulations once again on securing the rank. Thank you once again for your time.
Thank you for having me, ma'am.
Thank you.